Hello, this is Westgate Real Estate and Property Management, and I am outside of 1604 Sierra Sonoma Circle in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. It is close to 5 o'clock, so I am getting a little bit more traffic than I've seen here. But this home is located just off of Lakeville and Freitas Road in East Petaluma. It has really beautiful landscaping. So this is the front yard. Just a really nice, clean look. You come in and immediately to your right is the living room that looks at the front yard. There's a formal dining room that leads into the kitchen. Just a really sweet kitchen that overlooks the backyard. And a family room with an access to the backyard. I want to take a little time out here. Really beautiful patio, park-like setting. There's a little tool shed off here to the right. I'll turn around so you can see the backyard. It's just beautiful. So wet bar, half bath downstairs. It's washer and dryer hookups and washer and dryer. And then oversized 2-car garage. So it's about a 3-car garage. Family room, and we'll go take a look upstairs at the bedrooms. This home has a lot of light, and there's a really nice skylight above these stairs. So up the stairs to the right is the primary suite, vaulted ceilings, bathroom, double vanity, and a privacy toilet. We have 2 bedrooms that face the front of the home. And we have a hall bath with shower and tub combination. I'll give you a view of that skylight that just gives a lot of light. So again, this is Westgate Real Estate. Thank you so much for watching.